Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So how you are doing? Are you following the Venn diagram? In the last class I explained you union, intersection and difference of the sets. So now in the today's class I will solve the exercise questions, that is from NCERT textbook. It is 1.4. Here I am combining first and fifth question because with the same examples in the first question they are asking the union and in the fifth they are asking the intersection. That's why I am combining both. See the question, read that question. Find the union and intersection of each of the following pair of sets. Two sets x and y are given. Common. First one is union. What is a union? Union of two sets is nothing but it is a combined of two sets. We have to write the elements from set x, set y and also the common elements. See the example 1, 2, 3, 5. 1 and 3 are a common. Write down that and write down the remaining elements also. Intersection is what? Intersection is nothing but we have to write only the common element. The common element is 3. See the second one. The set A is A, E, I, O, U. B is A, B, C. Here also we have to write the union and the intersection. And I am giving you this as an assignment, that is a homework. And next one, see. Third question, A. The set A is nothing but it is given in the set builder form. See, x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 3. Natural number means we have to write only the positive numbers. And multiple of 3 means all the numbers are divisible by 3. And one more thing, they are not given the limit. That means end number, last number they are not mentioned. That's why I am writing dash dash. See set B. What is set B? It is x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Yes, natural number is swabhavika sankhyagalu. It starts with what? 1. And we have to write the number less than 6. Is it correct or what? Yes, this is a set B. Now you have to write the union and intersection of these two sets. Then see what is A union B. A union B means we have to combine these two. 1, 2, 3 is common, write it once. 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6. Next 5 completes here. Next onwards we have to write the elements from this. 6, 9, 12, 15 and continuation, because one set is a finite and in another set is infinite. If you are taking a union of finite and infinite, obviously you will get the union is infinite set. Now moving to the intersection. What is the intersection of these two sets? We have to write only the common elements. See what are the common elements? Only 3 is a common. Understood or what? Now moving to the fourth one. The set is given again in the set builder form, x such that x is a natural number and it is lying between 1 and 6. See, 1 is open and 1 is closed. And set B, again set builder form, x such that x is a natural number and it is lying between 0 and 10. So this question I am giving you as a assignment. Understood? Now moving to the next question. And don't worry, assignment is only to make you a perfect. And I will explain each and every assignment question in the next class. Fifth example. Set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B is a null set. What is A union B? Of course, A union B is nothing but 1, 2, 3. There is no element, null set only. What is A intersection B? There is no element common because B is a empty set. Null set means empty. There is no element. So that's why its intersection is nothing but null set. That is nothing but set B. Now we are moving to the second main question. See, here I completed the first and fifth main question. That is, we are finding the union and intersection. Now I am moving to the second main question from this exercise, that is 1.4. Second question. Let A is equal to A comma B and B is equal to A, B, C. See that question, read the question carefully and slowly. Is A is a subset of B? Question mark. What is A union B? This is also question mark. See, already you are familiar with the subset. When you are comparing A and B, see from set A, the first element is A. It is also present in B. And B, that is also present in B. Is A is a subset of B? Yes. Yes. A is a subset of B. And what is A union B? See, already we are familiar. A is a subset of B means obviously B is, and when you compare these two, B is the biggest set, A is the smallest set. When you combine the smallest and biggest, that too if it is a subset, you will get the biggest set. See, when you combine, you will get A, B, C, that is nothing but set B. That means if, already I gave the property, if A is a subset of B, then A union B is what? B. That is very important point. Please note down that. Moving to the third main question. If A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B, then what is A union B? Yes, it is nothing but, see, is it very interesting or what? It is nothing but whatever we solved in the second example. See, the same, here I have explained with the help of example, the same thing they are asking in the form of property. So already I told, if A is a subset of B, then A union B is B. So your answer will be what? So in the solution we are writing, if A is a subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. See, in the last class when I am explaining the union, at that time I gave this as an important property also. Moving to the fourth main question. It's very interesting. Only thing we have to first be familiar with that concept, and we have to read the question slowly. Then we get answers. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. C is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. And there are 4 sets are given. D is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. Find. See, 8 questions are there. I will solve 4 questions here and 4 I will give as a assignment. First question. A union B. With question only I will write the solution also. First one A union B. That means we are combining both A and B. Combining means we are writing the elements from set A, from set B and also the common elements. Yes, students, tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, is it easy and interesting or what? Yes. If the students get the answer, then they feel it is very interesting. Now, the second question is A union C. This is the assignment question. Third one, B union C. B union C. So, what is B union C? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And fourth one I am giving you the assignment. B union D. B union D. You have to write down. This is the assignment. Then fifth one is A union B union C. We have to combine all the three, A, B, C. So start with 1. Write down first all the elements of set A. If they repeated in B, don't write that. Then the next is 5, 6. So they are repeated in C. It is 7, 8. Is it very simple or what? Then moving to the sixth one, A union B union D. This is the assignment question. And the seventh one, B union C union D. We have to combine B, C, D. So as I told you, first I don't set B. Yes. Then 5 and 6 is repeated in C. Don't write that. 7, 8. 7, 8 repeated. 9, 10. This is what? B union C union D. So these are the assignments. One I solved and the one I gave you as the assignment. And because they are very simple, and already in 1.4 we completed main question fifth one. First and fifth already we completed. Now moving to the sixth one. If A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B is equal to, better I will start here because that will help to refer correctly. Sixth one, if A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. C is equal to 11, 13, 15. And D, yes, here also 4 sets are given, 15, 17. Find the first question. A intersection B. Yes, intersection means we have to write only the common elements. That is 7, 9, 11. Second one I will give you as an assignment. B intersection C assignment. Third one, A intersection C intersection D. That means the common element in A, C and D. Only the common element we have to write. Check one by one. In all the three. See, all the three means there is no common element in all the three sets. Fourth question. A intersection C. This is the assignment. Fourth one. Fifth one, B intersection D. In between B and D, what is common? So in B and D, there is no element common in B and D. Moving to the next question, that is the sixth. What is the sixth one? Sixth is A intersection B union C. Even though I am giving you this as an assignment, but I will give the hint. You have to calculate first B union C, then from these two sets write down the common element. Next, seventh one. A intersection D. A intersection D means again common element. There is no common element in A intersection D. Then eighth one. A intersection B union D. This is assignment. As I told you, don't worry, I will explain each and every concept in the next class. So, just to make you perfect, I am giving you questions as an assignment. Now moving to the ninth question. Ninth one. A intersection B union C. So here, see student, write it slowly. First find A intersection B. That is a common element in A and B. Common element is 7, 9, 11. Now move to B union C. That means combined B and C. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now we have to take the intersection of these two. A intersection B union C. That means first I calculated the bracketed terms. Then I took the intersection of these two. Intersection means the common elements. The common elements are 7, 9, 11. Even though without practice also you can say write it very easily. Now moving to 10th one. The 10th question is A union D intersection B union C. This question is assignment. See the student, is it simple or what? Yes, the questions are very simple. So there are 12 questions, 12 main questions. I solved 6 questions in this video. Understood? In the next video, I will give you the answers. Then I will move to the 7th main question. Okay.